So dear students, today we are going to discuss on the topic positive attitude. So before I start this topic, I have certain questions for you. Can I ask you? Yes, of course. We don't have any other option. So my first question is, do all of us have capacity to become what we want? सपोज आप बचपन में सोचते हैं, अपने स्कूल टाइम में सोचते हैं कि आई वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर or I want to become an engineer or a businessman or businesswoman like that. So क्या हम सब में वो कैपेसिटी होती है वो बनने की जो हम सोचते हैं? Yes or no? Yes, of course, we all have the capacity. Now, my second question is, do all of us start our career with what we say in the school? Suppose आपने कहा कि आप डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, but maybe due to some reasons or your interest also, you opt for some other career. आपको डॉक्टर बनना था, आपने कॉमर्स ले लिया, और आपको इंजीनियर बनना था एंड आपने सपोज आर्ट्स ले लिया. सो इट मे हैपन्स. सो द आंसर इज नो. We all do not start our career with what we say in school. Third question is, are all of us equally successful in our lives? क्या हम सब उतने ही सक्सेसफुल हैं अपने लाइफ में? Everybody equally successful? Of course, no. So then, what is required for success? If you want to be a successful person in your life, what do you require? Of course, you require certain skills. Now, we can divide these skills basically into two categories: hard skills and soft skills. There may be some other factors also, but I'm just concentrating on skills. Now, what are hard skills? Hard skills are basically the technical skills, the skills which are required to perform a particular job that you learn in your course, that you learn from your college or training courses, or even on the job also, you learn these hard skills. And what are the soft skills? Soft skills are the skills which are relating to your personality traits. How do you behave with others? How do you communicate with others? How do you think? Your thinking process, everything. So these are two basic skills. A few desirable soft skills are your honesty, dedication towards work, flexibility, you have a flexible approach, hard work, of course, teamwork, leadership qualities, willingness to take initiatives. How willing you are to take initiatives. How willing you are to learn and unlearn. Because man is a constant learner. We are constant learners. We learn throughout our life from different events also, from life events, from each other also. And what is the meaning of unlearn? Do you unlearn something? Do you require to unlearn something? क्या कुछ unlearn भी करना है आपको? Of course, you have to unlearn your bad habits. You have to unlearn those things which are a hindrance, which are, keeping you behind the success. Your willingness for additional responsibilities. And above all, what you require is your positive attitude and good communication skills, both verbal and non-verbal. So, Do you know the share of hard skills and soft skills in your success or in your progress? Yes, there was a study by Harvard Business School that shows that the share of technical skills in your success or in your progress is just 15%. It is the soft skills that counts a lot. 85% share is of your soft skills. You know, when you enter into an interview room, you have to show your technical skills. Of course, you have to show your technical skills, but you also have to show your soft skills, because the interviewer is watching you, is observing you. He or she is observing your soft skills as well. So it is your attitude, your communication skills, and your thinking process that determines your altitude. Altitude here means your height, your success level. आप कितना ऊंचाई पर जा सकते हैं, of course, will be determined by your attitude, your communication skill, your thinking. So today we are going to discuss what is positive attitude, how we can develop positive attitude. So first of all, what is attitude? See guys, attitude is basically relating to your mental conditions. How do you think about something? How do you feel about something? So attitude is a mental position relative to a way of thinking or feeling about something. कई बार होता है हमें कोई चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है, कई बार हमें वो चीज़ बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती है. Sometimes we like a person, but after some times again the same person we don't like. So हमारी thinking change हो जाती है, हमारा belief change हो जाता है after some time. Or when we meet a person for the first time, we do not like him or her because of his behavior or, you know, the things that person is showing to you. So हमें वो अच्छा नहीं लगता. So psychology में attitude का मतलब होता है, attitude refers to a set of emotions, beliefs, behaviors toward a particular object, person, thing or event. So आप चीज़ों को कैसे लेते हैं, आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में कैसे सोचते हैं, क्या उसके बारे में अच्छा सोचते हैं या उसके बारे में बुरा सोचते हैं. So this is the attitude that will ultimately affect your behavior. You behave in a situation according to your attitude. So जैसा आपका attitude होगा वैसे आप behave करेंगे. So I'm not a psychologist and I'm not going into details of attitude. What is attitude? The components of attitude. I'm just explaining you in a very simple way that it is related to your mental aspects, your thinking process. How do you perceive the things? आप चीज़ों को कैसे लेते हैं? Because everything has two aspects. One is the good aspect and the other one is the negative aspect. One is positive and one is negative. When we think something positive about something and when we think negative about something, that is attitude. So we know there are three types of attitude: positive, negative and neutral attitude. When we talk about positive attitude, positive here means, of course, these days we are afraid of this word, but I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking in that context. So, positive attitude, when you think confidently, you are very confident. Yes, you are energetic, you are optimistic. आप सब कुछ जो है वो बहुत अच्छा सोच रहे हैं. You are enthusiastic. to do certain things. You are sincere, reliable, cheerful, happy. You have sense of responsibility, determined towards your work. You are flexible in your approach and willingness to adapt. Of course, if you are flexible, flexible means whenever there is a situation, according to that situation, you are willing to change yourself. You are not rigid in your approach. कि आपने एक बार ठान ली मैं नहीं करूंगा तो नहीं करूंगा. No, you don't have that kind of approach. So these are certain features of positive attitude. Now when we talk about negative, means you feel negative about things, means there may be feeling of anger, hatred, pessimism, it's opposite of optimism, frustration, doubt, resentment. Resentment means when you do not agree with something, you just complain, jealousy, of course, and inferiority complex you feel. So these are negative feelings. And neutral person or a neutral attitude means when you are indifferent to something, आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कोई चीज या कोई इवेंट कैसा हो रहा है, whether it is good or bad, you are not thinking anything about that event or that thing. You're feeling detached, feeling of being disconnected, unemotional, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. That is a neutral attitude. So which attitude is best? Yes, of course, positive attitude. Why positive attitude? Because a positive attitude is most likely to have a good effect on one's behavior. See, how do you behave? आप कैसे behave करते हैं किसी के साथ या किसी एक situation में, that will depend on your thinking process, your attitude, how do you perceive the things. अगर आप पॉजिटिव सोचेंगे तो आप पॉजिटिवली बिहेव करेंगे. अगर आपके अंदर नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स रहेंगी, आप ये सोचते हैं कि मैं इस चीज़ को कर ही नहीं सकता या ये चीज़ मेरे लिए बनी ही नहीं है, आई कैन नॉट चेंज माई एटीट्यूड, तो आप उसी तरीके से बिहेव करेंगे. राइट? नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज देयर एनी रिलेशन बिटवीन पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड एंड कम्युनिकेशन? Can we make communication effective with the help of positive attitude? Yes, of course, we can. Because a man of positive attitude can convey the message clearly with transmission of understanding and can listen to others' point of view definitely and objectively. जो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड वाला पर्सन होता है वो अपना मैसेज बहुत क्लियरली दूसरे तक पहुंचाता है और दूसरा उसको बहुत अच्छे वे में उसको समझता है. एंड सिमिलरली जो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड वाला पर्सन होता है वो दूसरों को भी ध्यान से सुनता है एंड उनके जो व्यू पॉइंट्स होते हैं उनको इजीली और इफेक्टिवली अंडरस्टैंड भी करता है. सो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इज वेरी मच नीडेड फॉर मेकिंग योर कम्युनिकेशन इफेक्टिव. Similarly, a man with positive attitude can write more clearly, speak more eloquently, and convey through body language in a more effective way. Means आप बहुत effectively and clearly आप लिख सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं, and even you can use your body language, your non-verbal communication in a very more effective way. Man with positive attitude can develop more silent and soothing mind which can cool other person's anger in a better way. Hence, the process of communication becomes congenial. Means अगर आप positive attitude वाले हैं तो आप इतने साइलेंट और इतने सूदिंग माइंड वाले होंगे कि आपके सामने जो पर्सन है, मे बी योर फ्रेंड, योर कलीग और समवन एल्स, जो सपोज वो गुस्से में है तो आप उसका गुस्सा भी शांत कर सकते हैं. So in this way you can make the communication process very easy, very healthy, congenial, effective. Now the big question is how to develop positive attitude. Because we often talk that we should have positive attitude, we should think positively, we should think, the bright side of every situation. Is it possible? Can we change our attitude? Of course, we can. This is again also positive attitude, that yes, we can change. Now, some of the tips how you can develop positive attitude. First and the foremost, which is very essential, is choose to be happy. Of course, yes, I know it's very hard sometimes to become happy. We cannot be happy in all situations, but the choice is yours. Because if there is a worse situation also, there is adverse situation also, we cannot do anything for it except becoming cheerful, except becoming happy. We all know that we are living in our present. If we are stick to our past, the past may be, maybe full of hardships, maybe full of adverse situations, but if we are stick to our past, we are not justifying ourselves with our present. We are spoiling our present also. Similarly, we should not, much worried about future also. If your present is good, your present is perfect, you are doing all your hard work for making your future bright. That's okay. That's enough. So when you choose to become happy, your thoughts will become positive, right? So the moment you choose to be happy, you will be happy sooner or later on. You will be happy, of course. Do relieving exercises and meditation. Of course, meditation is a very, important tool for to become or to have a positive attitude. Similarly, you can do some, relieving or some relaxing exercises which can make you relaxed, which can through which you feel relaxed, like your hobbies. Maybe you're dancing, you feel relaxed by doing your dancing, painting, sports, so anything which you like. Look at the bright side of the picture. Every situation has two aspects. One is the bright side, other is the dark side. Of course, हमारी लाइफ के भी दो शेड्स होते हैं, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. So try to look into the bright side of the picture. Of course, this present era, present time, presently we are, going through this pandemic. Of course, it has two aspects. Negative aspect is there. People are suffering, their work is suffering, economy is suffering, of course. But we can also look into its bright sides, the opportunities it has provided to all of us. Like as a learner, we are learning through technology. Presently, this course is also using technology. We are uh, in touch with each other. We are learning through this course with the help of this technology. So many opportunities have also been provided by this pandemic situation. So we should try to grab those opportunities. We should always look into the bright side of the picture. Yes, accept the responsibility. Now, when you fail or when something does not happen according to your expectations, what do? We usually give excuses. We make excuses. हम excuses बनाते हैं. We blame other persons, other people. We used to complain. So instead of complaining, instead of blaming, just accept the responsibility that you are responsible for what you are presently. If you are having negative thoughts in your mind, something happens bad, आपका काम हो नहीं पाया, तो you are responsible. Change yourself. आपने you have joined this course to develop your communication skills. But no one can develop your communication skills unless until you really want. आपको कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकता. You yourself will have to change. Right? So develop this habit to accept the responsibility. Read inspiring stories and quotes. Of course, to get motivation, to get inspired, we should read the stories and quotes of great personalities. ऐसी great personalities, जो great कैसे बने? No one becomes great in just one day. It is their, hard struggle they have done in their lives that make them great. You can take the example of Abraham Lincoln. After so many failures, the person became President of America. अगर वो अपने पहले, दूसरे, तीसरे अटेम्प्ट में ही सोच लेते कि यस आई कैन नॉट डू इट, तो वो कभी ना कर पाते. तो इतने सारे फेलियर्स के बाद भी वो अमेरिका के फाइनली ही बिकेम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका. You can take examples of Indian personalities also. You can take example of our great Abdul Kalam ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa. So many. You can take the examples from business world also. If you can go through the stories of the great Ratan Tata, the great Ambanis, they started from the scratch. अगर आप उनकी स्टोरीज पढ़ेंगे तो आप जानेंगे कि वो उन्होंने भी ग्राउंड से ही स्टार्ट किया था. द ग्रेट क्रिकेटर्स, MS धोनी, आपने तो मूवी भी देख रखी होगी. सो हाउ हार्डशिप्स द पर्सन फेस्ड टू बिकम अ ग्रेट क्रिकेटर. So go through their inspiring stories, quotations. There are so many motivational speakers also. You can get the help of YouTube also. Like Sandeep Maheshwari is one of them. So if you can subscribe to his channel, go through his videos, you will really get motivated. Master your thoughts. Master your thoughts means control your thoughts. You are the person who can control your thoughts. Now we know that sometimes our past memories, there may be some bitter experiences, there may be some adverse situations in our past, but we cannot live in the past. Our present is challenging us. So therefore one should not master one's thoughts by not letting the mind to slip into past memories of bitterness, nor the fantasies of future, but to remain in present moments. So आपको प्रेजेंट में जीना है. आपको अपने जो पास्ट मेमोरीज हैं उनको हावी नहीं होने देना. You are the person who can control your thoughts, right? So you should try to focus your concentration on selected issues, your goals. Okay, this was my aim, this is my goal, I have to achieve this, right? Overcome reactive mindset. Of course, जब हमें कोई कुछ बुरा बोलता है, हम आगे से क्या करते हैं? Do we react or not? Of course, yes. यही तो हमारी गलती है. If someone criticizes us or gives some suggestion to improve ourselves, sometimes we feel very bad. ये कैसे मुझे ऐसे बोल गया अभी? No, this is not a positive attitude. If somebody or someone criticize you, suggest you something, that is for your betterment. You can take it as an opportunity to change yourself, right? So we should take these criticism, these suggestions. We should welcome these to change ourselves. We should not be, reactive. Develop unconquerable will. Unconquerable means unbeatable. आपकी ऐसी will होनी चाहिए that you do not allow your self confidence to be shaken. No one can shake your self confidence. अपनी ऐसी एक determined will बनाइए, इच्छा आपकी होनी चाहिए, right? Because they can conquer who believe they can. You can develop your communication skills only if you have a determined will. Will here means आपकी इच्छा. आपके अंदर वो इच्छा होनी चाहिए कि हाँ मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मुझे ये करना है, and of course you will do that. Avoid entertaining vague fears. Do not entertain vague fears. Fears means sometimes um, uh, if you are starting some work or you want to change yourself, हम पहले क्या करते हैं, हम डर जाते हैं हमसे नहीं होगा, या हमारे रास्ते में आने वाली जो हार्डशिप्स हैं आप उसको पहले से ही देख लेते हो कि नहीं नहीं ये चीज़ें होंगी, मैं नहीं कर सकता. So if at any time you imagine obstacles coming in your way, just depreciate them, just avoid them. तो अगर आप पहले मीन्स सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए ऑफ कोर्स हमारे रास्ते में बहुत सारी हार्डशिप्स आएंगी, और अगर हम उन हार्डशिप से पहले ही डर जाएंगे तो देन ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन नॉट अचीव आवर टारगेट्स. सो डू नॉट इन्फ्लेट देम with thoughts of fear, right? So if you are suffering from unhappy feelings of frustration, inferiority, like you may be having lack of social grace, ill health, sometimes failure in love also, physical inability, intellectual incompetence कि मैं तो इतना intelligent हूँ ही नहीं, तो these things cannot develop positive thoughts in your mind. So avoid these things, avoid these fears. Seek harmony. Harmony means feeling comfortable with yourself as well as with others. कई बार होता है कि हम we feel very comfortable with someone but we do not feel comfortable with others. So try to become harmonious with everybody. Try to be happy, as we already discussed. It usually happens that today we like some person, and if he or she doesn't come up to your expectations, we feel very bad about that person. So with this, what will happen? You are developing negative feelings, and that will deteriorate the situation further. It will deteriorate the situation. So be harmonious. सबके साथ मिलजुल के रहने की आपको आदत होनी चाहिए. Of course, with peace and harmony, you can feel better than bitter. Visualize what you want to become. Of course, your dreams should be big one. Of course, if you want to achieve something big, your dreams should be big. So whenever you are developing negative feelings, negative fears आपके माइंड में आ रहे हैं, तो just concentrate on your target. एम तो सबका होता है, टारगेट सभी का होता है कि यस वी वांट टू बिकम दिस इन आवर लाइफ। सो अपने आप को उस पोजीशन पे रख के देखिए कि यस, आफ्टर दीज ओवरकमिंग दीज हार्डशिप्स, आफ्टर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क, आई विल बिकम दिस पर्सन, दिस पर्सनैलिटी। सो विजुअलाइज, अपने आप को उस पोजीशन में देखिए, ऑफकोर्स देखिए कि हाँ मैं आने वाले, अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करूँगा, हार्ड वर्क करूँगा, अपने पर्सनालिटी को डेवलप करूँगा, तो मैं आने वाले टाइम में मैं ये बन सकता हूँ। ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन बिकम। सो विजुअलाइज व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम। Become a lifetime student. As I already told you, we all are learners. We are learning constantly. As a student, you are learning. Of course, you are learning in your college. You are also learning through life, from your friends, from your relatives. From every situation, we are learning something good, right? So, as a student, what you can do beside your studies, just try to, learn 2 or 3 new words daily. कितना टाइम लगता है 2 or 3 words को लर्न करने में? Some new words. You can go through newspapers. When you read the newspaper, there are, I can, guaranteed it, there are some words which we do not, which, you don't know the meaning of that words. So what you can do? Make a diary. Of course, you will have to write down those words and find out the meaning of those words with the help of internet or books or dictionary. So that will add to your vocabulary. So 2-3 नए words daily के आप ढूंढिए. And secondly, try to learn something new. अब is presently, like, you are not having your studies, or just the studies have just started out, so आप साथ में कुछ नया सीख सकते हैं. Now, like this course, you are learning from this course also, that is also some learning something new. So similarly, you can, there are so many training courses, certificate courses. You can also take the help of YouTube also. अब तो YouTube है, आप different videos access कर सकते हैं that can, give you something new. Like if you are a commerce student, as a commerce student, you can have the knowledge of, accounting packages. Computer professional अगर आपको बनना है, अगर आप computers में हैं, तो you can learn, different languages. So try to learn something new in your life in addition to your studies. Last but very important is be yourself. Don't try to imitate others. Don't try to copy others. हाँ, हमें कॉपी करना चाहिए, बट द ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज को कॉपी करना चाहिए. वी शुड try to grab some of their personality traits which can help us in a better way. बट अगर आप किसी को, आपको लगता है कि अरे ये मेरा ये फ्रेंड, या ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत स्टाइलिश है, बहुत फैशनेबल है, and you try to copy that person, what will happen? You will lose your identity also. You will become a mockery before your friends or in your circle. So be yourself, because आप जैसे हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं. The only thing is, develop positive feelings in yourself, right? So don't try to copy others. Okay? So आप अच्छी चीज़ों को डेवलप करिए, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग लेके आइए. Be yourself, be honest. So at last, I just want to say that think positive, be positive, and positive things will automatically happen. So with this, I'm just ending this video, and I hope you guys will try to, you know, overcome the negative feelings which may emerge in your mind and try to become positive in your life. So I have also developed a survey of of positive attitude, how much positively you think about the things, about the situations. So just fill that survey. When you will fill that survey, मैं आपको लिंक जो है वो साथ में इसके साथ, इस वीडियो के साथ आपको एक लिंक मिलेगा टू फाइंड आउट योर स्कोर. जब आप उस फॉर्म को फिल करेंगे तो जो भी आपने उसमें स्कोर दिया है उस स्कोर को प्लीज़ ऐड कर लीजिए. राइट, ऐड दैट स्कोर. आप स्कोर ऐड करेंगे. देन व्हेन यू विल सबमिट योर फॉर्म सबमिट करने के बाद आपको रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे कि इफ़ योर स्कोर लाइज बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस, दैट मीन्स यू आर वेरी मच पॉजिटिव. And if the score is between, I mean, there are certain scales. So just go through that survey, and once you go through that survey, आपको अपना result मिल जाता है. And if your score is not very much, I mean, it's not good, that means there are some areas where you really need to work upon. कुछ ऐसे एरियाज हैं जो आपको पॉजिटिव सोचने से आपको, आई मीन, दे आर जस्ट एन ऑब्स्टेकल. वो नेगेटिव एरियाज हैं, उनको ओवरकम करना है. जस्ट मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ दोज एरियाज जहाँ आपको कम स्कोर मिला है, यहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि लिए स्कोर है. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू ओवरकम दोज नेगेटिव एरियाज. So with this, thank you very much for watching this video and all the best.